Nokia N73 5G 2024 price, full specs, release date, rumors, review, news. Today we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand, whose name is Nokia N73 5G 2024. Those who use mobile phones in life, that person must know that Nokia is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world. And also know that Nokia is a Finland multinational telecommunications, information technology, and consumer electronics company, founded in 1865. Every year, the Nokia company provides many big flagship mobiles, middle-class phones, and low-budget high-performance phones. So, customers are waiting for the new smartphone of the Nokia brand. That's why, we are talking about a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand, which is called Nokia N73 5G 202. Nokia N73 5G 2024 release date. After knowing the viral news of a Nokia flagship smartphone, every person who loves the Nokia mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Nokia N73 5G 2024. But, we are sorry to inform you that, there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The expected release date of the Nokia N73 5G 2024 is the 29th of December 2024, or it may be late to release for features updates or company issues. First, we are talking about display. The Nokia upcoming smartphone N73 5G 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. The good news for the Nokia N73 5G 2024 mobile lovers, this mobile uses display resolutions of 1440 by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After briefly describing the display, we are now going to share another very important part of this special phone, whose name is the camera. On the camera section, Nokia added a quad 164 megapixels primary lens plus 24 megapixels ultra-wide lens plus 16 megapixels wide sensor plus 5 megapixels depth sensor as the front camera. For selfie, it has a 64 megapixels camera. Regular camera features like Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama, and HDR are added. Now, you can easily pick a picture or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is a very important part of a good smartphone. So, the Nokia N73 5G 2024 used a 7850 mAh Li polymer type non-removable battery for its long time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 36 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So, this phone includes 45W quick battery charging features.